Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the transmitter and confirming the audio source is routed to it. This matters because the transmitter can only send what it receives. Once powered, choose the correct input: optical for digital TV, AUX for analog devices, or USB for PC, and switch the transmitter to that input. Make sure your headphones or speaker are already in pairing mode. If not, press and hold their pairing button. You do this now to avoid back and forth later, and to speed the overall connection process. Now you pair the devices and optimize audio path. This step controls latency and quality. Start pairing on the transmitter and watch its LED sequence. Fast blink indicates searching, steady indicates paired. Once paired, check codec compatibility. Choose aptX low latency for minimal delay, AAC for Apple devices, or SBC if others are incompatible. Make sure to set source volume around 60 to 80% to avoid clipping. If audio sounds distorted, lower the source and fine-tune volume on the headphones. This reduces troubleshooting later. Finish by testing and securing a stable connection so you can use the transmitter reliably. Play a short, familiar audio clip and listen for sync, dropouts, or hiss. If there's lag, confirm both ends use a low-latency codec. Reposition the transmitter closer to the receiver and away from Wi-Fi routers or microwave sources to reduce interference. If things go wrong, reset the transmitter and headphones, then pair again with only those two devices active. This clears stale pairings and usually resolves conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.